Before launching your advertising campaign, I recommend taking a moment to protect your identity. There are a few things that you can do that cost very little, if anything, to set up. For instance, I recommend using Skype or setting up a Google phone number. Do not use your primary phone, your cell phone, or your home phone. There are many scammers out there who will take advantage of it and possibly try to use it in some way. For the same reason, never use your primary email address. Go to Yahoo, go to Gmail, set up a throwaway email. It takes just a few minutes, and you'll reduce the possibility of scams. And finally, I recommend setting up a post office box. I do it. I never want anything to be mailed to my house. I never want to see any advertisements because I have a rental property. Again, it's easy to do, and the cost is well worth it. In the video below, we will explore effective ways to advertise your rental. Let's get started.